Hey streamers! We're excited to introduce two new features on WpStream, player themes and logo placements. I'm about to show you how it's done. Go to WpStream on your WordPress dashboard and find Settings. Under General Options, scroll to the bottom. Under Video Player Theme, you will find a drop-down from which you can choose one of our 5 different themes. We are starting off with the default player as shown here. The Sleek and Modern City theme, the Earthy and Calm Forest theme, the Creative and Fun Fantasy theme, and the Cool and Minimal Sea themes. As for the second new feature, you can now upload and add your logo to your video player. In this video, I am showing you how you can select the position from the drop-down in the general options, and I am moving it from the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. So far, I have showed you how the player themes look like on the livestream player, but the same settings will automatically change the video on-demand player. The same themes and logo settings apply to both types of players. All you need to do is refresh the page or post with the player, and you will see the themes and logos be changed in real time. You don't need to end the live stream or interrupt any type of streaming. These new features will add your branding to your streams and make it more you. So whether you're running a live event or offering replays on your site, your content stays consistent and professional. Take a minute to try out the new player themes and logo options today and make your stream look as good as it sounds. Your stream, your brand, with WpStream. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.